Everyone gets scared sometimes. And I do mean everyone. You guys, even vampires. But some make it into an art form. And that is nothing to be ashamed of. A tribute to the Scaredy Cat, Scaredy Dogs, and Scaredy Vampire Rabbits. The Scoobicula Halloween Marathon starts October 24th from 6 p.m. on Boomerang. Enjoy the majesty of nature with wee bear bears. Ah, there's trees, some water, a pond, or whatever. This cute thing. What is that? Maybe it would be better to just stay in and watch We Bear Bears. Weekdays at 4 p.m. and weeknights